So let's take a look at the answer about which intellectual property matched what is protectable in examples. So for trademark, what's protectable is branding, and examples are marks and logos and slogans. For copyright, it's creative, authored works and expressions, not ideas, and the examples could be software, songs, movies, or website content. For trade secrets, what's protectable is anything, secrets that you think have economic value. And examples are non-public technology like the Coke secret recipe or your proprietary customer list or some kind of algorithm or formula you didn't want to patent. And for contracts and non-disclosure agreements, what's protectable is whatever you and the person who's going to do the deal with you have defined in the contract and is enforceable in the law. And so you could have technology, business information, etc. as examples. And finally, patents. So what's protectable are non-obvious inventions. And examples are new technology that haven't been previously patented or applied for. And you have to be first.